is Jan Archie M. Rabilios. I'm the young breeders. My age is 11. So I'm going to teach you how to breed a fighting cock and a hen. So this fighting cock guys won 2 games and we're going to meet them. So after that we need to put them and wait for a few days so they will hatch some eggs. So after that guys, we're going to wait a few days so there will be an egg in the hen. Hi guys, we're going to collect the eggs from our hen now and put it in a basket. And then we're going to put it in the incubator. So guys, after that, we're going to put it now in the incubator. So this is our incubator guys and we're going to put the eggs inside. We must be careful guys because the egg might grow. So we must close the incubator so the eggs won't be hardened and have no, And hi guys, so after 1 week, we're going to get the eggs and candlelight it. So we must turn off the light and it must be at night so you can candlelight it. After turning off the light, go to the egg and use your phone to use your flashlight. Turn on your flashlight and then put the egg in the flashlight and see if there's a living creature. If there's a vein like with spider web and there's something moving, then that means there's a living creature in the egg. So just divide it into 2. See? There's a living creature inside the egg. There's some veins and some living and moving creatures. There. As you can see, some eggs are much more bigger than others. See there, the living chick moving. As long as there are veins, then that means there's a living creature. And you must also see if there's something moving. And if the egg is clear, then it means that the egg has no living creatures. As you can see, we still have no eggs that have no living creatures. And this one has nothing. You can see nothing. No veins. So put it in the other side. And this one has. There. Make sure guys that it's dark so you can see the veins and the moving living creatures. So we have a lot of living creatures and only one non-living yet. There's already a feet there. If you see this one with no veins, then that means it's still non-living. Just a little veins. See dark ones, then that means the chick is very big. Right. So it's also healthy. There. So that's all the eggs. After, turn off your flashlight. Then turn on the light so you can see. You will not see. Like that. Put the living eggs inside the basket. But you must not put the non-living creatures because you can cook the non-living creatures or you can just throw it. Sometimes you can't cook it because it smells bad and it's not healthy because it smells bad. Open the incubator and put inside the eggs box. And check the water and see if the water is still full. So we can cook the 2 eggs now. So see you. Hi guys, after 20 days, we're going to see if the egg has hatched and have chicks. So guys, there's some chicks now and other eggs have already been cracked. There. Cracked. And there's the chicks. So tomorrow, the cracked chicks can go out now. And if the eggs didn't hatch go out after 21 days, then that means the egg is rejected. So I'm going to transfer the chicks now into the box. And I get them. So this is our box, guys. There. Don't crush them because their feet might get crushed. close the box, guys, so the chicks can't go out in the box. Put here the chicks in the box, and after 1 week, we can put it in the bigger cage.